Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to install apps on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. When you start your Reno8 Lite, you can see that you have a lot of apps pre-installed. So you can see here we have a lot of apps from Google, but we also have here TikTok and Booking.com and other apps. If you want to install new apps, we must open the Play Store. And the Play Store is the central place where you can just install your apps which you want to have. So you can see here we have games, we have apps, and we have books. And at the top we can see For You, Top Charts, Kids, and Categories, and Editor's Choice. So I go to the top charts from apps, and we can see here DB Navigator or PayPal. Oh, PayPal looks great. I will install PayPal. So if I click on it, you can see here the app. You can see 4.6 stars from 2 million reviews, more than 100 million downloads, and you can see some screenshots, and you can see here some informations and some ratings and reviews. So if I want to install it, I just click on install, and then you can see it will start to install. So it will download 54 megabytes, then it will install the app, and then after some seconds, when he is ready with the installing, then we can click here on the open button. Okay, now the app is installed. Took a little bit longer. You can see I can here click on open, but I can also see this app here. So it doesn't matter if I click here on open or here. Normally you would start this app here, and then I can open here my PayPal app, and then I will start using PayPal. So you can choose from every app here. You can see a lot of apps here, from PDF documents and other things. So just search here for your favorite apps and you will find them. So it's pretty cool how to install apps on your OPPO Reno8 Lite 5G. Pretty easy. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.